Hello, creatures of the night, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Anyways, this is gonna be like the last Halloween video. Most likely, this should be the last Halloween video. So anyways, today's video is gonna be like a DIY slash snack idea for any Halloween party. So anyways, this is some different Go-Grits. Like, they're the Go-Grit shake-ups, and they're like come in different characters. And these are from Aldi's, and I got 2 of these ones, as you can see, there's 2 of these. And after you drink them all, I figured you could rinse it out, and then and then you have a decoration that you can sit like that somewhere. And here, now I'm gonna go through and see. This one's a pirate. This one is a superhero, or I guess you could say supervillain. This one's a scientist. This one's a vampire. This one's Frankenstein. And then the other one, we have 2 of them. This is also a superhero. So this is most likely the last video. There might be another one on Halloween. There might not. This is probably the last video for Halloween. I'm not sure. There might be a second one. But anyways, if there's not, thank you all guys so much for watching all or any of these videos. Comment down below what's your favorite Halloween video that's on my Halloween playlist if you watched any of the other ones. Anyways, thank you all. And if you're watching this on Halloween or around Halloween time, happy Halloween. Have a great, beautiful, and wonderful day.